Hello class, Mr. Fino here. I'm going to just go through my Google site. You've been working on yours, and it's a process that we're building. We're building it up. I know it's not done yet, but I'm going to try to help you guys get further along with that, with some videos explaining steps and how to create pages and all that. But I thought the first thing I could do is go through one that I created here, just to give you some an idea of what you can create. So name top left, and then there are 6 additional pages in addition to the home page here. We've got artifact, about me, my family, events and memories, 4 important places in my life, and goals. So that is 6 additional pages in addition to the home page. All right, so I'm going to go through each of them and just show you what's on it and what you need to do to complete your web page. Right, so you can see I was able to put a picture here. If you're able to do that, great. If not, there are other ways you can put pictures from the internet onto your site to make it look nice and professional. All right, so first I'm going to click here, Artifact. This is what we worked on a few weeks ago with Tinkercad. I was able to create this myself. It's you can see it's a goal and a ball, and I created a soccer ball and I created a soccer goal and a ball because I have long been passionate about playing and watching soccer. I love the Portuguese national team and follow most of its players. So that's all you need on the artifact page. For about me, I'm not going to go through and read all the facts here. You can if you want, but I'm just going to describe what you need on your page. So first thing is 3 words to describe myself. Okay, so you've got 3 words that you can use to describe yourself. If you can put pictures with them, that's great. If not, you can find pictures online to represent those words. We've got background. So on the background section, when were you born? Where were you born? Ethnicity or your cultural background. I wrote a fact here about when I was younger, where I lived previously, a bunch of years of my life, and then another fact from when I was younger. Favorites. So for this section, I need to put 5 favorite things. I put sports team, author, animal, TV show, and subject, but if you've got other favorites you want to list, that's fine, just you need 5 things. For activities and hobbies, you need 3 things that you like to do in your free time. Okay, next page is my family. Again, I was able to include a picture, which added a touch there, but it really depends if you can or not. So for my family, what I did was I wrote who is in my family growing up when I was a kid, who's in my family now, and my wife and my daughter and my pet. I wrote a fact about my dad. I wrote a fact about both of my sisters, and I wrote a fact about my wife. So just a way to show who you are and who's in your family, and I include another picture there. Events and memories. Okay, so for this section, there are 2 parts you need to do. Important life events are 3 important events in your life that either were fun for you, were critical in your life, just important things that have happened in your life. And the second part here is accomplishments and challenges. I listed 4 things, but 3 is okay. So accomplishments, that's things that successes you've had. So for example, I mentioned how I earned my junior black belt in Taekwondo when I was 13. I mentioned graduating from UC Davis. And then for challenges, that's important too, because we're not just the things that we are successful. Hard times are important in forming us as people too. So I included a fact for that as well. 4 important places in my life is a way to show important places that you visited or you've lived, or places that you go to regularly that are important to you. So I was able to do this on Google Maps. 4 different places. I put San Leandro. This is UC Davis. This is a place I went to for vacation, and this is also a place I went to for vacation. And the last page is goals. For goals, I want you to list 2 or 3 goals that you have for yourself. They could be academic, they could be social, they could be just emotional or personal, whatever. 2 or 3 things that you're hoping to do with your life, either here in middle school, in the future, but yeah, That's what you're going to do for goals. So that's my page. Next, I will go through in some different videos, step by step, how I created this, and I'll show you exactly what I did to make this. So yeah, thanks.